Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial of Colorful Eye Makeups, and today I will teach you the purple lavender type of liner where I have taken the lightest purple color for the transition shade over the eyelid, and with the help of big blending brush going to blend it over the eyelid. As you can see, you already know the key to blend any type of eye makeup product, any type of eyeshadow. You just be positive and hold your brush as far as you can. Move your brush with a very soft hand. It's the basic key to blend any product. You can use it. You will see the result. Here is a transition shade. Now taking the darkest purple color, converted in liquid form, you already know, with using the Kryolan mixing solution, and with the help of liner brush making a wing liner effect. If you want to know that how I mixed these eyeshadow, how I made the liquid eyeshadow liner type of eyeshadow from the from the palette, so you can watch our last tutorial where I have showed the product, the Kryolan mixing solution, and the way I have been used it to use over the eyelid. You can see our last tutorial. You will get complete idea. Now connect the wing. You can use any color of eyeshadow to convert it in liner, colorful liners, and you can use it on the color of your dresses, matching the color of your outfit. Giving the finishing. You can see after the lashes application, you can see the final look of upper eye. Now moving on, next need to work on under eye, and for this I am using Charm of Beauty ka kajal pencil, white kajal pencil, through which my eye will look bigger, and with the same color of eyeshadow through you made your liner, liquid liner, we are going to smudging under eye, as you can see, in such a way. Use a very light hand to blending the product, and the and build your color with the lightest to the darkest. Now applying the mascara to the lower lashes from the brand called Maybelline का Colossal. So here is the final look. You can see you can use it in for any function. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial.